See this. Ha 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 ha. See this. Wow. Sit. This, I'm going to shape it, cut it some more, make it bigger so that I can steam something. And the progress is on, so stay tuned. We'll start making a traditional pot in the forest. I'm going to fill fish and steam inside this banana roots. So let's get started, my friends. Join with me till the end of my cooking. Chalo, let's start. Lots of mosquito. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel once again here deep in the forest. Today I'm going to cook something very special. I've tried earlier before, but I'm going back to the style of my forefather. Cook something in this. I'm going to cook fish in this. So let's get started. Join with me till the end of my cooking. Sai tho. Ai la nai magic to me ko yui. Mấy cô khá lâu na xuống dòng today. So ta giao cô không phải na quảng âm today. Please watch till the end. Please watch till the end. Loài mà phảo giáo lúc khám ưu không phải na. Okay, this is the root. Cái này cái đây cái khiu cho ngà bần sệt độ khá. Garlic. Let me slice this fish. Lots of water is coming out. Chop this out. So. Oh, mosquito. Lots of mosquito. Now, let me add some yellow powder. good enough. And some salt to taste. Okay. Now, the next step. This is Thangsgu. The root again. And the flavor is just awesome. So add this root. Padigom, Claudania, to enhance the flavor. Okay, my hand is black. So that's it. The tomato, tomato, ginger, garlic, pound together. So the roots here, my friends. The flavor here. Okay, let it. 3 of them. Good enough. Going to be spicy. So smack the king chili. Smash it. Oh, let's remove this stem. Oh, it's properly marinated. You can see this. So here's the fish. Guys, today mix sudah marwai le, marwak le. May hini, angko ichilum ni di. Let me show you. And this is my pot. So let's fill one by one. Now I'm not going to add any water because lots of water inside. So it's full. Wow. So let me add the mustard on top. Oh. See this, my friends. Fill it properly. Now see this. I'm going to have sealed this way. I'm going to put it right on top of the fire. So let's start. I'm very tired. Wow. Here. Oh. Hot. Oh. See this. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. My fish curry steamed inside the banana root is ready to eat. Tụi đây tao thọ lan bẩm thế đây chơi. Ê, từ từ cơ. Wait. Wow. See this. Wow. Yeah, ha, ha, ha. It's going to be yummy. Check this out. say this. Yummy. Try it out. The roots. It's the real tribal flavor. Join with me, my friends. चलो खाना खा लेते हैं. Wait, wait. Go. Saren maram tuai lah. Hey. And no oil, no masala, just cooked in a tribal way. Try it out, my friends. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like it, share, comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Khoblai sibun baro. Tunggu thêm pa inda bong tunggu thais. Lah tu tengam khai kha kan nai la wang no. Sare mem tu gai.